Do you feel trapped by debt? You're not alone. In fact, over 70% of Americans have debt, with an average household carrying over $100,000. But with the right plan and some smart strategies, breaking free is within reach. This guide equips you with 12 actionable steps to crush your debt and unlock the financial freedom you deserve. Tip number 1, mindset change. Break free from debt by shifting your mindset. Ditch impulsive spending and become the captain of your finances. Imagine a future free from debt. That's your guiding star. Tip number 2, know your numbers. Before diving into debt repayment, get a clear picture. Make a list of your debts, including amounts, interest rates, minimum payments, and payment period. This will help you understand the true size of your debt and pave the way for an effective repayment plan. Tip number 3, budget. Create a realistic budget that tracks your income and expenses. Be honest. Include everything from rent or mortgage payments to groceries and entertainment to that occasional latte. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, identify areas to cut back and free up funds for debt repayment. Remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to your goal. Tip number 4, choose your weapon. Ready to crush your debt? 2 powerful strategies await. The avalanche method targets debts with the highest interest rates first, saving you money in the long run. But it might take longer to see initial progress. The snowball method tackles smaller debts first, providing quick wins and boosting motivation. However, you might pay more interest overall. Choose the method that best suits your personality and financial situation. Tip number 5, embrace frugal living. Live well, spend less. Ditch the expensive habits. Cook more meals at home, skip impulse purchases, and explore cheaper alternatives. Look for sales and discounts, and consider buying generic brands instead of expensive name brands. These small changes can add up to significant savings. According to some financial experts, cutting back on just 1 latte per day can save you $2,000 a year. Tip number 6, consider debt consolidation. If you have multiple debts, this is an option to consider. This involves taking out a loan with a lower interest rate to pay off all your existing debts. By consolidating your debts, you can simplify your monthly payments and potentially save money on interest. However, it's important to do your research and make sure that the terms of the debt consolidation loan are favorable before proceeding. Tip number 7, build healthy financial habits. Alongside budgeting and debt repayment strategies, it's essential to cultivate healthy financial habits. This includes being mindful of your spending, distinguishing between needs and wants, and seeking ways to increase your income. Tip number 8, boost your income streams. Explore ways to increase your income. Take on a side hustle, freelance your skills, or sell unused items online. The more money you have coming in, the faster you can conquer your debts. Research suggests that increasing your income by just 10% can significantly impact your debt repayment timeline. Tip number 9, stay motivated. While working towards becoming debt-free, it's important to stay motivated and stay focused on your goals. Celebrate small victories along the way, such as paying off a credit card or reaching a specific milestone. Studies show that celebrating even small wins can increase your motivation and help you stay on track. Tip number 10, build a support system. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who understand and cheer you on. Share your progress, setbacks, and goals, and lean on their encouragement when needed. Remember, conquering debt is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes dedication, but the rewards are life-changing. Research shows that strong social support networks significantly increase the chances of achieving financial goals. Tip number 11, preventing relapses. Once you have paid off your debts, avoid falling back into old habits. Create an emergency fund to handle unexpected expenses and start saving for your future goals. Consider seeking professional financial advice to make smart investment decisions and secure your financial well-being. Tip number 12, believe in yourself. Stay positive. Financial freedom takes time, but with dedication and a positive attitude, you'll reach your goals. Remember, 80% of those who track their finances achieve their objectives within a year. Celebrate every step forward, big or small, and trust the process. Start your journey today with these effective strategies. Share your challenges and successes in the comments below, and let's support and motivate each other. Join the Buntu media community for more financial tips. Don't miss out on valuable insights and a supportive network. See you in the next video.